स्टूडेंट आज हम लोग क्लास 6th के साइंस का चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं एंड द चैप्टर वन इज फूड. वेयर डज इट कम फ्रॉम? वेयर डज इट come from? This is the chapter that we have to cover. Under this chapter there are 7 food categories and that you have to remember by heart also. The category 1 is vegetable, second is fruits. Yes, both are related to each other. Vegetable and fruits both are healthy food. Thereafter coming of grains, legumes, nuts and seeds. So there is some grains, you know, that rice, wheat, barley, these are the grains. Legumes, some kind of, you can say grams, you can say peas, etc. Some nuts are there and some other seeds for different crops. So the important food for your health is vegetable and fruits, and the grains and legumes, nuts and seeds are also giving good amount of carbohydrate, proteins and other. But the most important that you should have in your food, it is vegetable and fruits. Yes, grains and legumes, nuts and seeds are also having more protein, more minerals, more carbs. But in comparison to grains, legumes and nuts and seeds, vegetable and fruits are important. Thereafter there is coming of meat and poultry, and that is related to, you know, that non-veg, meat and poultry, that is coming from the goat. You are getting meat and poultry. Yes, it has a good amount of protein, but at the same time regular eating of meat and poultry is not good for health. Another, I said, non-veg is what? Fish and seafood. Yes, it is also good amount of protein and other some kind of minerals, but the regular, again I am saying, yes, in comparison to meat and poultry, you can eat fish at regular interval, but not every day. Yes, it is better than meat and poultry. Poultry means chicken. Thereafter there is another good food is dairy foods, and that milk and other product which has been made with the help of milk. These are, I said, that butter and different other things, and then which is related to dairy is cheese and all. So it is very good. Again, you can take it regular basis. And then eggs. Yeah, eggs is also supposed to be non-veg, or some people used to say it is a veg also, but it is up to you. I said egg is good, having good amount of protein. Also, I said some carbs and fats are there. So I say that you can take it on regular basis. Yes, vegetable, fruits, dairy foods, which is very, I can say that it is very healthy. And you can take grains. It is at 4th number I'll put. After vegetable, fruits and dairy foods, I'll put grains, legumes every day that you have to take, yes, to complete the carbs demand of your body. Then I'll go for fish and seafoods. Then I'll go for eggs. And the last one, it is, I said that, meat and poultry. So I'll give the rank. If you'll see, it is one rank means it is at the top. You should have every day in your food. And then there it is, second number every day in your food, and then third number every day in your food. Then you can have eggs, you can say fourth number every day in your food. Thereafter, you know that fish, it is coming at this level, and then poultry at 6th level. So just I have given some idea about it is what, and these are the 7, I said, food categories are there. And these 7 food categories you can see here. I said there is an related to dairy, and then dairy is in a butter and fortified. It is in a margarine, and there is in the vegetables there is green and yellow vegetables, and then we have, I said that this kind of vegetables, it is somewhere, it is a very good amount of nutrients, good amount of proteins, different vitamins and all. And then oranges, again I said that this have oranges and tomatoes, grapefruits. These are the fruits, which is the category which is good for you. And then we have, I said, there is an, I said, other, I said that vegetables which are a dried one, you can say. There is a dairy product, you can say, milk product, and there is a dried milk, cheese, ghee, and several things. And then there is we have meat and poultry, fish, eggs, etc. And then it is made of cereals, it is beets, flour, and other things are there. Now let us see the type of food depend upon the landscape and climate like in India. So in Indian climate, what are the different kind of foods in the different kind of landscape is growing? Somewhere it is landscape, you can say, in the landscape you can say that it is somewhere plain, somewhere mountain, somewhere plateaus. In the different kind of, I said that landscape, it will be a different kind of food grains you can be able to get food you can have. And there is a climate is also, you can say, in the case of climate there is somewhere very high temperature, somewhere there is a mild temperature, and somewhere it is low temperature, that is very cold, low temperature, you can say low temperature, that is cold. So everywhere we have a different kind of foods. In India is, and I said that different landscapes, somewhere plain area, somewhere plateaus, somewhere mountains, yeah. And the different in the Himalayan region, if you'll go, this is the mountain, temperature is low. If it's southern India, you'll come, there is a different kind of yes, temperature is there. Then the cold temperature, in the mild temperature, and the high temperature. The high temperature कहने का मतलब, if the temperature बहुत high होगा, then what will happen? There will be a different kind of food grains will grow. Mild temperature में different kind. High temperature में आप कह सकते हो कि rice can be grown. Mild temperature में wheat can be grown. Low temperature there is an acid. In the mountainous region, different kind of fruits and vegetables that is very in good amount it is growing. So, and at the same time, climate also include rainfall. So, if the rainfall is low, यदि rainfall क्या है, low है, then it is different kind of low rainfall. It can be low rainfall. There is an, I said, medium rainfall, and high rainfall. So in every case, low rainfall, different kind of, in the low rainfall, you can say that bajra, jowar, ragi is being grown. In medium rainfall, that it is, you can say that different kind of pulses, you can say legume plants can grow. Bajra jowar at very low rainfall, medium में this kind of maize, I said, and different kind of pulses. High rainfall में rice, etc. it can be grown. So you know that which are the type of food depends upon landscape and climate. Like in India, there is a different types of foods being grown. That it is, I think it is clear. And we'll see like in Maharashtra, you know that misal pav बनाया जाता है. अब ये different food grains are growing in different parts of India, and with the help of that food there is an, I said, different kind of food भी बनाया जाता है. तो आपको क्या दिखेगा in the, I said, Maharashtra and Goa, you know that pav is, misal pav is a famous one. And here you can say, here you can say, and if you'll go in West Bengal, there is a kind of I said there is a kind of chicken, mutton it is growing, and also some kind of kosha mangsho, you can say. West Bengal has kosha mangsho, you can say. Yeah, West Bengal has kosha mangsho. West Bengal has kosha mangsho. Punjab has, you know, makki di roti and sarso da saag. There are some other foods are also, but famous food it is मक्के की रोटी होती है, and then सरसों का साग बनाया जाता है generally in the winter period. And Gujarat has some famous food like dhokla. You have to remember also, because somewhere it helps in your GK and your answering the answer asked in the exam. And Kashmir has Rogan Josh, and it is again related to, I said that meat, chicken, etc. Meats related है. And there is Tamil Nadu, during that Pongal is being celebrated, and the rice related and so many other foods are being made during that period of that. And you can say here, it is Pongal one, yeah. And during that they are making. And in Assam, papaya khar, you can say that in Assam they are making different kind of food in Assam. You can say here it is different kind of food, papaya khar. Just check it out also on the sometime in the Google, what is papaya khar. I also don't know about it. And in the Bihar, you know that in the Bihar it is litti chokha. Again, it is made up of I said wheat and flour and some kind of I said go and check it out. I can say that it is litti chokha. Here in Bihar there is an, I said this is your litti chokha in Bihar, you can say that. You know that in the different parts of India, on the basis of different grains, the different foods are being I said grown. The different food grains are being grown, और उस grain से फिर different different food बनाया जाता है. तो ये हमने देखा कि types of food depends on landscape and climate, like in India.